How to add two clocks of different time zone to your Android home screen and lock screen. So first of all, you have to open up your device setting. You have to tap and hold an empty space on your home screen like this. After that, here you have to tap on the widget option. And once you are on your widget option here, you have to look for the built-in clock widget. Just scroll down and go for the clock widget here if you find that. And just go and select the clock format. Once you have select the clock format here, you have to just go and tap on that clock format here. So you can just go and add another clock if you want to repeat that process. Just go for your widget and you can just go for this here like this. After that, you have to navigate to your setting and source for the clock here. Once you have searched for the dual clock here, you can see that. Here you have to just go and select the clock here. Just go and tap on your second clock and go for the region here like this. And after selecting that, you can go back. And you will have the dual clock on your home screen of your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.